Good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Okay. So now it is the time to see, to go for one project implementation. So I'll be moving to this place. Last session. So we already completed concept of what? Hmm? I did not upload the notes. Huh? Uploaded, not uploaded. Huh? Hmm? Uploaded. No? Maybe online students getting problem. Only programs uploaded. Okay. Only programs uploaded. Okay. So I'll upload students the same place. I will upload the notes also. Maybe for online students, it might not gone. For you also same, huh? You got it, huh? So offline students are lucky students, but not remembering subject, correct? Move this side. Why you want to sit at the end of the end of the line? Move. All of you move this side. Okay, students. Now it is uploaded. Take care. So now I will move to the further students. So here I'll go to today the most important discussion I want to take up. What pickling and unpickling at this stage I want to go for some small uh, project related. At Python level, what will be the project? So now I'm taking student information system. All of you write up. Write a write a Python source code. Write a Python source code. Write a Python source code for implementing the following project. For implementing the following project. For implementing the following projects. So there I'm going to take up. Carefully try to follow, students. Number one, I'm going to take up here a new student. First, look at new student who came for the new student. Second one, second one, I will go for it. That is called what? Add student. Add a new student. This is called add a new student. Next is called what? Next is called a select all the students. View all students. View all students. View all students. Third one is what? View one student. View single student details. View single student details. View all students details. Next, the fourth one is called what? Delete student. Delete student. Next is called what? Fourth, update student. Update student. Sixth one is called what? Search for student. Search for student. And the seventh is called exit. If you do that, you are really a solid student in the files. Very important. Okay, now. So let us go to that. How to do this now? Using files. Write down. Write down. Take as this. Write this menu. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. So whatever you are entering, that choice related information, I want to get it. ಇವರು ಈ ಪೆನ್ಲೆ ಇಂದವರೆಗೆ పెన్ లేనిది ఎవరికి, బ్యాగులో అవన్నీ వద్దు. పెన్ లేనిది ఎవరికి, నీకేనా? తెచ్చుకోపో సరే, బయట వాళ్ళ దగ్గర తెచ్చుకోపో. బ్యాగులో పెట్టినా లేదు, కనిపించడం లేదు, ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ అవన్నీ టైం వేస్ట్ ఎందుకు, తెచ్చుకోపోయి. పెన్ ఉండదు, పేపర్ ఉండదు, అన్ని ఉంటే బ్రెయిన్ ఉండదు. ఫాస్ట్. We can mention even in our resume also. Project number one, develop a student information system. At the same time, I'll give you one more case study, one more project for you as a homework. Try to do that also. So, ready now? Will you help me to write the code? Hmm. ఏమయ్య పలకరేంట? Will you help me in writing this code? Help me ante I'm not going to come and ask you, tell me student what to write. Will you interact with me? Right. So this file system I am writing. Look at what will be my project file system. File system for my project. For project. So now I'm going to take up. Number one, I'm going to take it. Number one, I'm going to take it. Student menu. Student menu.py. What is menu.py? It is called what, file name, and next module name. Module name. File name come what? Module name. Second one, there I will take one function called what? Menu. Menu. Second one, what I will do? What I will do? Add student. Student add. Here I am going to write it. Student add. Any time when the project is coming in front of you, you need to follow like this. File name and what? Module name. Module name. So they will go for what? Add student record. Add the function name. I will take it what? Add student record. This is my function name. So if you go to the company, they will give you this. How many are there? Almost six are there. They will give to six people. In one entire day, you will do the task. They will give you allowed 4 to 5 hours for you to do that. Actually, it will take how much time? 1 hour to develop that entire thing. Okay, now that too already this code is present in somewhere else in our repository of the company. So how easy that is? Still, people are not able to do. Today, in my 7 o'clock, 35 years mathematics faculty came. He sat here. 35 years mathematics teaching IIT students. I don't know. Incidentally, I asked a question. Sign 90. He said 1. I shown immediately import math and sign 90. Got 0.8999. And he wondered, He came and asked, "Sir, how you got this?" That time he said, "Sir, 35 years onwards, I'm telling 1, but it is all of sudden like, what is the reason for it? Expansion of the sine series. It is an infinite terms. Infinite terms will not give fixed value. Infinite term definitely gives what? Fractions only will come. And sine theta formula is what? Lower side by higher value will be coming. So lower value by higher value definitely will come in fractions. So that's why learn practical things now. Practice it after going to home. Student add. This is a 1. Next is called what? View students. There I will write it. View student. Yes, students. Or so I will write it. Students view. Students views. It is called a .py. It is comes under file name and module name. There I will write two things. There I will write two things. One is called get all records. Get all records. Now I'm going to write it. Get record. Get record. Two things I will write in the same place. For 3 is concerned, I will write for 2 and 3. I will write under one place only. This is for third operation. This is for second. This is for third. Both third and second and third, I will write in those functions. Each one I am writing one function. Fourth one is called what? Student delete. Student delete. Student delete.py. Is a file name come module name. I will write it. delete record, delete record. Next, I will write it fifth, update, student update, student update. There I am writing. It is comes under what you know, file name come what you know, module name. There I will write it. There I will write it. There I will write it. Update record, update record is my function. Next is called what? Of course, sixth, search, student search is almost like a viewing the student only. Student search dot py. It is comes under what you know, file name come module name. So search record, search record. This is my file system. All those things I need to start here. Shall we start up now? Online students. So this entire thing I'm going to start here. Carefully try to follow. Shall go to PyCharm. I'll go to PyCharm, and to understand this, complete knowledge on pickling and unpickling is required. Pickling and unpickling concept explained already. Dump function, load function already done, and this is a important requirement one need to understand in the class. One need to understand in the class. Carefully take care and try to and enter into the further. So I'm going to take up students. Here I'm going to take up first thing. I'm going to take up here. I'm going to write it. Student student menu.py, menu.py. So here I'm not going to explain the logic and all. Already you know. Of course I'll explain the logic, but you also careful to understand. So what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? Def menu. What I'm going to do now? Print off. So I'm going to write it star 50, star 50. Here I'm going to take up students writing like this. What to do now? There I'm going to write it. This entire student information system, student information system. Here I will write it. Print off, print off, backslash t. There I am writing it. Student information system. There I am writing it. Print off I am writing backslash t 1. I'm writing. What is this now? Add a new student. Add a new student. I'll take it. Go to this place now. Here I will write add a new student. Second I will take it. Second I will take it. Print off what you know. Backslash t 2. What is that 2? View all students. View all student details. View all students details. Okay. Next printf of what you know. Backslash t 3. What is this now? View single student detail. View single student details. Next I will take it. One more thing. Here I will write it. What is the fourth one? Delete student. Delete student data. Delete student record. I can say. Okay. Delete student record. Next I will go for it. What is the next one? Update student record. Update student record. That is the fifth one. Update student record. Next, search for the student. Search student record. Seventh, exit. 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 So students, take care. And this is my data. Menu is ready. You can test it here itself. Before you are going to integrate the code, you say what here? Menu off. Try to run this. You'll be getting it. So close this now. Try to run this now. So you are going to get it. This part we are going to get it. All the details are available. Right? Fine, students. This is tested. Fine. Go to this. Remove now, students. This menu is ready. What is this now, ma? File name and module name, file name come module name. Online students, be responsive and try to speak in the class. Let us go to the next step. ఇక్కడ ఒక మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తాను స్టూడెంట్. సెవెంత్ వన్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్. మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్. సెవెంత్ వన్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? స్టూడెంట్ మెయిన్ ప్రో, మెయిన్ project, main project dot. This is an integrator. It is a main program, program. There I am going to write it. There I am going to write it. Student main prog dot py. Go to this place, students. Here I am going to take in this case, I'll make skeleton ready, students. Dot py. Here I am writing dot py. What is this now? Main program. What should I do? Call it as what? Menu. Menu means from where? From student menu. Import menu. Already these things you know. Fine. You try to run this. See that you're getting or not. There I need to go for what? Enter your choice. Here I need to go for enter your choice. Take care. Here I'm writing ch is equal to int of input of what? Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay. There I need to write it. Students, this is going to be choice is available. I will use what? Match. And moreover, students, when you are going to take this choice, you have to think about exceptions also. Because one of the good property to everybody need to think about exceptions. Which exception will come? Which exception will come? Value error. రోజు క్లాస్కి వస్తే సరిపోదు, సిన్సియర్గా దాంట్లో ఉండాలి, ఫైర్ ఉండాలి. Everyday coming to class is good, appreciating. But something fire must be there. What is that now? Value error. So I need to write what? Try. I will write it. Try. I am writing. Which exception? Except value error. Value error. What is this now? Don't enter. Don't enter. Don't enter. ALNUMs, STRs, and symbols for choice. Choice. Try again. Try again. Try again means it has to go to while loop or not. Try again means I need to show the menu again, right? Street students. Very beautiful. So go to this place. Try to run it. Enter your choice. I'll say caviar. So it is going to be what? Your selection of operation is wrong and then go for it. I'll say dollar. I'll say dollar. Wrong. Wrong. I'll say hyphen. It is called wrong. So now I need to go to a place called what? I need to say finally what? I need to stop it. Execute and all. Are you following me? Now try to follow. Now I will start with match ch. You know match case? Don't know. Match case don't know. You know you don't know. How many parts are there in match case? In a match case lo. How many parts are there in match case? Fast. సార్ నన్నే అడుగుతున్నారు సార్ నేను నటించి, ఎందుకు అడగాలనిపించింది. హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ మ్యాచ్ కేస్? నా స్టూడెంట్ ఏనా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి? మధ్యలో వచ్చినట్టుంది, నువ్వు అటెండ్ చేయలేదా? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్ యు ఆర్. ఓకే. హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ మ్యాచ్ కేస్? నెక్స్ట్ స్టూడెంట్. నా కళ్ళు చూడట్లేదంటే అర్థమైపోయింది మీకు తెలియదని. డోంట్ నో. అమ్మా చాయిస్. ఓకే గుడ్. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్. నెక్స్ట్. Okay, sit down. Who will tell? You can't tell. If my sir ask, I'll tell. Match is one part. Case label 1, label 2, label 3, label 4 is called one part. Default case is another part. How many parts? 3. 3. Match, taking the choice. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case n. It's called specific labels. default label, default case block, case underscore. ఏనా విచిత్రంగా చూస్తా ఉన్నారు మీరంతా. Match is containing three parts. One is a match statement, case 1, case 2, case 3. మీకు చెప్పి వేస్ట్ అసలు. So go to the place. Here you go to it. 9 a.m. Conditional statements. Under that, match case statement. Here, match is 1. Case 1, case 2, case n are called one part of specific labels. And the default case block is one more part. So, come to the place. Now match case 1. This is called pass. Case 2. This is called one more part. Case 2 is one more kind of thing. Now I'm taking case 3. I'll say pass. Case 4. Pass. Case 5. Case 5. I say pass. Next case 6. Case 6 is called pass. And case 7 is there. 7 is there. This is 7 is there. I'll write it. 7 is there. I'll write it here. 7 I will write it. I say there print off. Thanks for using this app. Or using this app. So here I'll say what break. And other than this is entering, this is another part. Other than this is entering is another part, that is case default. It is an optional to write. So your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Try again. Try again means it will go to the menu only. So let us run this code. Let us run this code carefully. Try to say, I say 22, option 22. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. So here I will write -2. Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. I will say 2x. Selection of operation should not be what? Int, IL, NUMs and etc. And selection of operation is something like nothing I am entering. Also going to be something. If I enter something like 7, it is going to be exit. Coming out of the loop. So match case contains three parts. Taking the expression, matching with the expressions, not matching with that, go to the default one. Three parts will be there. Now, go to the next match 1. Match 1 is called what? It is nothing but our result is called add a new student. Add a new student, I need to go for it. All these things, different things I need to write. Go to case 1, case 2, case 3, implementation I'm going. This is a way to plan your application. Go to the place. Start. This is under progress. This is completed. Now I'm going to take it what? Student.add.py. Student.add.py. Online students, are you following? So go to the place here. Now I'm taking, here you go to it. New. I'll go to student add.py. Go to this place now. I'll take it. .py. It is called file name. And next is called what? The module name. There I'm going to write it. What is the code I need to write? Adding the data to the add a new student means what? I need to take, like yesterday we did now, pickling concept, getting the student details, adding to that. So how do you do that? I will take it exactly like yesterday's program. You see that pick program you see. Pick program. What is that? Enter student number, enter student name, enter the marks. Yesterday's classroom notes is important. Here I am writing what? Student number, student name, and student marks. Append and then what? Student data saved it. This code I am going to bring today. This code I am going to bring today. This part I am going to bring it. So here I am writing add.py. Yesterday's class, if you practiced well, here I am going to take it. nit.data. nit.data is a student data. I am going to take it. AB, enter the student data, writing like this, done. And here, after adding this data, I will go forward. I will go forward. Do you want to add another record? If you want, you can add it. Or otherwise, you can iterate the menu once again. Anyhow, menu is there in the inside the while loop only. So, as far as this is concerned, Let it be like this. If at all you need, you can handle what here? Exception, you can handle it. Exception, you can handle it, student. That is a better job always. What is the exception? EXCEPT, value error. In case of what I'm saying, number and then what? Marks. I'm writing here, print of, don't enter ALNUMs, ALNUMs, comma, STRs, STRs, and what? Symbols. STRs and symbols for STNO and what? Marks. And marks. And marks. Don't go for like this. STR symbols and numbers and what? Marks. Are you following me? For name is concerned. Name is concerned. Already we did one name related thing in my class. Where is it? Already we did one exception handling. You go to it. Exception handling, you go students. Here you go to the exception handling. Already it is there as a part of it. 9 a.m. EXCEPT exception handling. I think it is not this one. Case 2, not this one. Case 3, name validation is there. Name related exception. You try to open it and see now what is happening here. I'm giving here Guido van Rossum, space error, and many more things is written here. Did you remember this? This is the logic I need to write. How many things? Invalid name error, zero error, space name error. These many number of things I took it. This part I want to integrate over there. How do you do? How do you do? Simply, this is going to give you either valid name, returning the name, or it is going to raise a exception itself. How do you take it? Without writing this code, if at all you want, I can go to this place. What I'm going to take it? Validation. I will write it validation. Go to this place. Here I'm writing validation. I'm writing like this. What is validation? What is validation? You don't know that. That I need to go for. From. I need to take it what? Complete path I need to take it. Complete path I need to take it. What is the complete path? I need to take it. This entire thing I need to go for it. So this entire thing I need to go for it. This entire thing. Whatever is available, I need to take it. How you can take it? This is basically comes under what? This is basically comes under folder, right? This is basically page session is a folder. In that, what is my module name? What is my module name? Name validation and name exception. Both of them I need. What you will do? Come on. Packages, I need to use it. Packages. Madhubavalo. So import sys. Import sys. Here I am going to write it. Sys dot path dot append. Sys dot path dot append of e colon like this. I will write like this. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. Somewhere else I did my coding. From there I need to write from where I want to take it. This code is already there. This I will take it. Name exception. I want to get it from this. I want to get it from this. Here I will say. And the next is called what from where. What is the next one? Here you are having name validation. Name validation. This is the name validation. I'm taking. Go to this place. From name validation, import what I am taking. Import my function name is called what? Validation. Go to this place. Here I am writing validation. That function name I am taking here, and it is a very danger. So here, if you want to test it, you can test it once. What is my function name? I use file name NIT dot. You want to take yesterday I took student.pic. You take student.pic only for testing. For testing purpose, I am going to take it. For testing purpose, later I will change my file name. Are you following me? This is called what? Packages. From packages means what? Program to program accessing. Now I'm importing. Try to run this now, students. I need to handle the exception also. What is my exception handling here? If you look at what is the exception handling I did, instead of wasting my time, directly I will use it. This part I will use it. This part I will use it. As it is, I will bring this, I will bring it here. Perfect. So here I'm going to get it. Here I'm going to get it. So except error, name error. Just try to student dot pick only. Stud dot pick. Okay. You test it. What is my function name? Save student data. Testing. I'm testing. So where are you feeling difficult? This one. మనం ఏం చేయలేం దానికి. That is already completed packages. We already completed. It was perfectly completed. Enter the number 10x. Enter the number 10x. Exception is coming. So perfect. Test it. Try to run it again. Try to run again. So say the number called 100. I'll say name is called 12345. It is called invalid name. Try again. Invalid name. Try again. So so invalid name. Try again. So here I'm going to take it. This is the one. So come to the next point of it. Students, all the students in the class, for a few minutes. I'll stop the class for a few minutes. There is some another discussion will be there. So some new person will talk to you. You please interact with all of you. Take care for a few seconds. I'm going to right now. Few minutes. Few minutes. You